What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can turn off or customize your Revolut notifications. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in crypto trading or cryptocurrency investing, you can use my link from the description below to create an account with Binance, and by using that link you get additional $50 credited to your account once you make your first deposit. And now let's continue. So to turn off your notifications on Revolut, just go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Then once you're here, just scroll down a bit until you can see the notification settings right here. Once you're here, just go ahead and tap on notification settings. And here you will be able to turn off and on the notifications that Revolut sends you. So I will just turn this off. And essentially you can just play with these and see which one work for you and which one don't. So that's guys how you can turn off or customize your Revolut app notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.